Is Bitcoin finally breaking out from this range that the price movement is really coiling up? Because whenever we can see that the price movement coils up like this, we could expect a massive explosion. So we're going to look at the price targets, what we could expect if we're going to get this dump towards the downside, or even this pump even higher, breaking this major resistance of 31,000 US dollars. But we're also going to look at Polygon Magic, because like I told you in my previous video that I expected this breakout from this downward sloping trend, and we saw this massive breakout. But we're going to find out, are we going to reach our price target at 95 cents? Because yes, we're going to look at the 93% win rate. So make sure to watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, and most importantly, activate the bell so that you will stay up to date. Welcome back to B4Crypto, and yes, we're going to start on the daily chart, and as we can see, the price movement is pretty much staying within this range of 31,000 US dollars and all the way back down to 29,500 US dollars. And we can see that we have been moving in this range, but we're going to look at the Fibonacci retracement level from this high all the way back down to this low that we reached at 25,000 US dollars, where we can see we had this perfect bounce from the support. So we're just going to extend this Fibonacci retracement level a little bit out so that we can read the numbers perfectly. So yes, we can see that yes, the 78.6 is exactly the bottom of this range. We are perfectly holding this range where we saw that the price movement came back down and we bounced from these levels. So we could expect that yes, Bitcoin is going to break out even higher. But what if we're going to see this rejection and the price movement is breaking the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level? Yes guys, then we could expect that Bitcoin is going to come all the way back down to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, which is exactly where we can see this previous resistance, which now will act as support round about the 28,000 US dollar level, where we can see yes, we had previous resistance and also support. So we could expect that the price movement is going to come all the way back down to the 28,400 to 28,000 US dollar level to consolidate in these areas. But yes guys, we're going to look at the price target if we're going to get this bullish breakout. So if we're going to break this major resistance, which is exactly at the 31,000 US dollar level, then we could expect that yes, our next price target is going to be the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and this would perfectly be at the top of this range that we can see on the weekly chart. We perfectly highlighted the next major resistance area if we're going to break through this major 33,000 US dollar level. So we could expect if we're going to get this bullish breakout, yes, Bitcoin is going to come all the way back up into this major resistance zone from the previous all-time high, that we can see that this was support, and also resistance in the previous cycle. So yes, this would be our price target. And remember guys, on the weekly chart, yes, we still have this bullish RSI cross on the stochastic RSI. So if we go back in history, then yes, every time we saw this cross on the stochastic RSI, we saw this bullish move for Bitcoin. Here we also had the cross, we had this bullish move, yes, only to this level, but we could see that guys, every time we were getting this stochastic bullish flip, that we could expect a pump for Bitcoin. So let's go on the lower time frames on the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, yes guys, we are in this symmetrical triangle where we can see we have resistance and also support, and it looks like that we're going to break out from these regions and that we're going to see a massive pump even higher. So guys, yes, at the moment I'm very bullish for Bitcoin and also on Polygon Magic. So let's go over to the charts of Magic. But make sure to watch the video until the end, because yes, we're going to look at the 93% win rate. And as you can see, I told you that we're going to see this bullish move after we're going to break this downward sloping trend with the ultimate price target, yes, all the way up here at 95 cents, where we can see we have previous resistance after this sharp dump towards the downside because of the crackdown on the altcoins from the SEC. So first of all, we could expect that yes, we're going to come in this major resistance area from 85 cents all the way down to 75 cents, because we can see that we have formed this bottom and that the price movement of Polygon is forming this W with also a higher low, and that is extremely bullish. So if we're going to look at the first price target, if we're going to drag it from the neckline all the way to the bottom, then we could expect, being a little bit conservative, if we're going to drag it all the way to the neckline, which is exactly at the moment the price target, then we could expect that we could come all the way to the 85 cent level, see a consolidation and see this next move even higher to our first price target. So yes, on the 4-hour chart we can see that at the moment the 200 moving average would be the next price target, and if we're going to break this, yes guys, we're going to reach this immediate short-term price target of 85 cents. But before we're going to come to the highlight, guys, smash up the like button and subscribe. But let's look at the Bitcoin dominance, and like I told you in my previous video, if we're going to form a lower low and also lower highs, we could expect that yes, some of the altcoins are going to get a major pump towards upside. We're not going to see the altcoin season yet, because for a major altcoin season, we should see that the Bitcoin dominance will come all the way back down under this 47% mark, so that we could expect a major run. But if we're going to see this dump even from the 51% level all the way down to this major support at 48%, yes, we could expect a massive pump for the major altcoins. But now we're going to come to the highlight of this video. We're going to look at the 93% win rate, and yes, this is over on my copy trading link over on FOREX, where you receive a massive deposit bonus if you sign up with my FOREX link, up to 100,000 US dollar deposit bonus, and also you get 5% on all your trading fees. And guys, you can copy all of my trades, because yes, I've posted a lot of trades in my free Telegram group. The links are in the video description below. But yes, by the time I post all of these trades, the trade has already left the station. So I decided to open this copy trading group over on FOREX, and you can see yes, we had in total 97 trades, and 75 of them reached the take profit and only 22 were lost. So this makes a 93% win rate over the last 3 weeks. And here you can see all the previous trades that were all in a profit, just a little loss here and there. But guys, you can see if you're going to copy all of these trades, guys, you're going to make a massive amount of passive income. So yes, go down in the video description below and sign up first with my FOREX link, where you receive a massive deposit bonus, and then follow step 2 to copy all of my trades. And yes, if we go over to my profile, then we can see we are already in this next Bitcoin trade, because yes, the price movement of Bitcoin is really coiling up, and we could expect this massive breakout towards the upside. Yes, a lot of people are going to open a short exactly in these regions, but where are these stop loss going to be? Exactly at the top here. We could see that Bitcoin is going to do the exactly opposite because of all these institutions entering the market. Yes, we're going to see a bullish move for Bitcoin. So guys, if you like this quick update, smash up the like button and subscribe, and most importantly, activate the bell so that you always stay up to date, and make sure to be for crypto. And we see each other in the next video.